Hi teachers, I'm going to explain about how you organize the rubric and also other assessment tools. Rubric, checklist, anecdotal records, or other assessment tools will be organized when you are creating the learning experiences. So let's just take a look at one example of learning experiences here. Now, if you notice that this learning experiences has rubric template there, so you can always choose any other assessment tool, like for example, checklist and other assessment tool there. For rubric, I would suggest you to attach only to for tasks that you think is big and rich and probably a task that you want to evaluate some kind of like your summative task that can be used rubric. There are UI rubric and also many other rubrics. Now, if you notice there, when you select the rubric, you can actually add or save this rubric as a template, right? And when you choose another template there, if you see there are lots of rubric here. So you can save your rubric as a template and then you can reuse it. This is good for learning experiences that is or rubric that is done or completed many times, maybe several times throughout the unit. So the way you save it, basically, you just need to choose. Sorry, I think I just let's say that this is a template that I want to save. Then please save it clearly. What class, what unit, and what subject if you are a specialist. Let's say that this is for PAB4, visual art, and this unit. So make it clear there. I have saved this rubric anyway, so I will not save this one. Another tool that you can use is a checklist. Checklist is a quick assessment that you can use for assessing quick tasks. And it's the same idea. Basically, you just need to choose the template, checklist, or and then you will need to create the template here. Again, you can also use or save this checklist as a template so you can use it again later. Your rubric that attached in the learning experience will appear when you assign the learning experiences to students. Now, if you see here, let's say I take example of these learning experiences, and when you assess it, then it will appear on this page, right? So you assess the students, and to see the overall insights of your evaluation using the rubric, you can click this and you will see how many students are evident, how many students are developing, and how many students are independent. This is useful when you want to check quickly how is your class progress towards the assessment criteria. Now, if you see here, there are some students are still developing in this part. It means that I need to plan something for these students. So that's how you organize rubric and assessment tool. And hopefully that will make it clear for you when you are measuring your students' learning. Thank you.